Hey guys, just going to show you a few more live wallpapers. So this one I'm on right now, for example, is simply called Blue Skies. We get quite a few different settings. We can have a low cloud count, or we can have a very high cloud count. Now, there's always kind of the background image, so to speak, that slides across, but the cloud counters, these ones that are sort of coming at you in that manner. Wispy clouds. Oh, actually, what's wispy clouds? Let's have a look. I'm not sure what that's done. Or wispy clouds. Background image, gradient, clear blue, dramatic. Let's go dramatic. Dun dun dun. Yeah, okay. Light colour. So I suppose if we have the theme for my sort of desktop is kind of that colour. So whoa, don't like that. Wind speed, very high. So you just see them coming at you a bit. It's like you're flying through, I suppose, really. Camera speed, enable balloons. Who doesn't like a balloon? Text message balloons. Make the number of balloons represent unread text messages. Well, I only get like one text a week. That wouldn't be. Enable UFOs. Use time of day, so you can make it so that the sky behind will change. Make the day go by very quickly. Good for testing light settings. So now it's kind of, all of those moons come up. Isn't that cool? So that, you know, if you turn off the fast one, that will just sort of happen in relation to the time of the actual day. So nice balloons floating by. So there you go. I think you're getting an idea for that live wallpaper. Jungle waterfall. I think I bought this one, but in the end I decided it's actually a little bit too busy in some ways. So let's just set it as it is. Now as you scroll it, you see you actually kind of rotate it around. I mean, it's very pretty. I don't think anyone can argue that it's not a beautiful looking live wallpaper, but it is quite busy, and I'm not a busy kind. I prefer you simple. Let's just have a quick look in some of the settings. Mist density, high. Mist start density, low. Waterfall speed, fast. Oh, then we get fog colours, interesting. And then you get the whole time of day settings again. So, oh yeah, you can see the water's falling a lot quicker. I mean, even you look up in the sky, the detail is really quite fantastic, I think. But like I said, at the same time, it is quite a busy wallpaper. So that's Jungle Waterfall. Silhouette. This was one of my first ones, I seem to remember. First live wallpapers. And I think actually it's changed. Yeah, I don't think these options were there. Well, that's quite nice. So you get to change what the background thing is, as we have with the others. I think a lot of these wallpapers are done by the same person, actually. You'll see when you get on Google Play. Sky colour, so we can, again, you get the time of day option. We can go for a bluey type of sky. So I mean, you know, I think that's pretty beautiful, really. Beautiful. Set wallpaper. Obviously I'd need to mess around so things are a bit more visible, really, but and again you can see it reacts as you scroll. So that was silhouette, and then finally, again, this is one that I bought a long time ago and I rather quite like. Is a thunderstorm. think you see there's a slight bit of lag as I scroll. I mean, it's okay now. Now the processor's kind of kicked back into full speed. But if you sort of, I guess if you settle, maybe even if you turn off and the processor ramps itself down, and it reacts quick enough then. But yeah, you will find that with some live wallpapers, and that's one of the reasons I tend to go for simpler ones. I don't want something that uses my processor, so that it actually gives me that lag. So just be aware of that. So again, rain hits camera, background image. So you can perhaps have a smoother background image. What did it have? Strong. What's a strong background? I'm not sure I could tell a difference. Maybe if we drop the cloud. I don't know. Rain style. Oh yeah, so you can have it actually just come out of the actual clouds. You can have it everywhere. Or you can have the clouds and everywhere. Oh, minimalist mode. I'm not sure I've seen that before. Oh, that is quite. Well, I can see. Yeah. If you get the colours and things set as you want, I can imagine that being quite cool. Summon lightning. So when you tap on the screen, you make it lightning. You can change the bulk colours, the light colour. So again, we could, if we darken that a bit. Let me turn back off the minimalist mode though. Still probably a bit too active, maybe too much lightning. But that's quite a cool look, I think. Again, maybe a bit busy. How do we? Let's try and turn things down a little bit. Oh, maybe there's not. There we go. Let's turn up the bolt intervals. Let's slow things down a little bit. Yeah, that's okay. Right. Yeah, no, okay. Yeah. So that's a little bit more subtle now. But yeah, it's kind of cool, I think. So there you go. Just a few live wallpapers for you to check out if you're into that kind of thing. Let me know if you have any personal favourites. I'll take a look at and maybe put in the next video. My name's Andy. Catch you all again soon.